In the following video, I'm gonna show you how you can plan your link building campaign actually. So we're gonna start to look at your competitors. We look at how many links they build each month and check what kind of links and how many links you would have to build to be able to compete with your competitors. We're also gonna look at how much budget you're gonna need and how long will it take to get the first keywords ranked. We're also going to look at how to find the best keywords, how to have the fastest success, but also stay on the safe side of the game. So we also look at link risk management. In the end of this video, you're going to be able to start your own link building campaign. You will be able to find the right keywords. You're going to know how strong your competitors are. You know how many links you have to build and what kind of budget you need, and also how long approximately it will take to see the first results.